Ooh, so satisfying. Yes, camera, yes! Ow! Okay, let's not do all that dramatic stuff. Hello everybody, welcome to Amaral's YouTube channel, and today we are going to be doing a fidget haul. This is my first fidget haul. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so first we are going to be starting with my puppets for the fidget haul. So first we are going to be starting with my rainbow collection. So this is my rainbow collection. So first we have got the, I don't know what this is, a hexagon? I don't know my shapes. I really don't know my shapes. I've got a butterfly. It's got these butterflies. If you can see, they've got these butterflies on the puppets. And oh wait, before I even show you the other one, this also has words on it too. They've got different kinds of words. Let me show you the good side. This is the bad side. So this is the bad side. This is a very bad side. Like, I played this and I'm like, why every single time my puppets have bad sides? Like, some people's puppets might have bad sides. Some people's puppets might not have bad side, but this has the bad. Well, this is the bad side. This is the good side. Look. That is the clicky side. You can also do this too. Make it more quicker. Anyway, so that is my hexagon. I don't even know what this is, so I'm just going to call it a random shape that I don't know. Okay, next I've got my butterfly, of course. See, I think I already showed that. Yeah, I've got butterflies. Next is my unicorn puppet. It's really cool. I think this is the good side. Let's see. Okay, no. You see, I think I've got 2 good sides. So that is pretty cool that I've got 2 good sides. Kind of need to press your fingers inside there. Oh, and by the way, this also has teeny unicorns on it. I don't know if you can see that. Let's try the blue. The blue is much gooder, but I don't know if you can see it. Okay, let's try the blue. Yeah, so that is the unicorn. And that is the end of my rainbow collection puppets. Got the unicorn, butterfly, round shape that I don't even know. I think it's a hexagon. I really feel like this is a hexagon. This one has words, this hexagon. This one has unicorns, because it's a unicorn. This one has butterflies on it. So that is the end of my rainbow collection. So let's put them aside. Okay, next we are doing my pink collection. I've only got 2 pinks. So I've got a square and a circle. So the square is pretty good. Okay, the bad side is very bad. Let's just pop through that. Get it? Pop the puppet. Pop through that. Pop through that. Let's pop it our way through that. Get it? Get it? Get it? No. You know what? I'm gonna do the faster way. Ooh, so satisfying. Okay. And next we've got the pink one. I think it's called. I'm just popping like this because it's a lot easier. By the way, you might notice that this is more clear, the glittery ones. If you have glittery ones, these are pretty good. They're really nice and glittery. And I like the good sides, not the bad sides. Look how nice that is. So that's the end of my pink collection of puppets. Next we've got the multicolors. Ooh, look at my multicolors. They are so cool. So in this multicolor, you might be thinking, oh, there's a unicorn. But there actually is no unicorn. And I'm not joking. There's like literally no unicorns on there. There are just multicolors. Now I am actually popping this. You might think that I'm not popping this, but I am popping it. Alright. Look at that, so good. That is amazing. So that is my unicorn multicolor. So that has yellow, orange, pink, and white. Very good, very good. Next we've got my pineapple. I love this pineapple. And by the way, I got all of these for my birthday, so yeah. Okay, that is my watercolors. Look at that, that's so cool. Okay, so that is the end of my multicolor collection of poppets. And now I've got my purple one. Now the purple one, it's not really, it's got the bad sides, of course. That's so sad. I'm so sorry for you, bad sides, but we need to pop you as quick as we can so then we can move on to the good sides. That should be enough popping. Just need to pop this side and so amazing, zing, 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 zing. That is amazing. So that is the end of my purple collection, but there's only one. So next I've got my green one. I've got this one, which is more lighter. It may look blue, but it may look blue on camera, but it's really not blue. It's kind of like I feel like this is a neon. This looks like a neon to me. But on the screen it looks blue, but it is actually neon. So these glow in the dark. Pretty cool, right? So that is a really cool one. I'm only popping 2. Next I've got my dark green one. Not really neon, but it is actually really dark green. Got that for my birthday too. Anyways, like I told you, I got all of these for my birthday. So, yeah. Okay. And by the way, if you've ever done a fidget trade, I've never ever done a fidget trade, but I might do a fidget trade, but I am not trading this. Or I'm not trading these because these are my favorites. These are my favorite rainbow ones. I would trade this one or this one, but I'll definitely not trade this one. This is so good. I wrote my name on this like 10 times. Okay, that's the end of my, wait. Did I just say that was the end of my puppets? I've just got this puppet. You can put that on your bag. I think I should put that on my bag. I think it will look pretty good. It's got, these are the mini puppets. You've got yellow, my colours, blue and pink. That's really cool. Alright, that is the end of my puppet. Wait. One more time, let's do that again. That is the end of my puppet! My fidget spinners. And if you did not hear that, let's go to my... Let's go to my fidget spinners. Whoa, that just hit my glasses. Okay, so this is my first fidget spinner. It's blue. Has these little things inside them. Never seen those before. They had 3, not 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is actually pretty cool, this fidget spinner. Where? That just went backwards. That just went backwards. First fidget spinner. Okay, now my second one is this one. You may think this is not a fidget spinner, but this is a fidget spinner. If you look online, you'll find, search for cool fidget spinner. It's cool I like this one because it's blue, like the other one. But this one has like glitter on it, and then it has this green thing. So it's difficult, so it has glitter all over it. That is my second fidget spinner. Drum roll, please. My pink fidget spinner. Got glitter, got that. Very cool. Very fast. Like the others. Oh, by the way, I can also do this. Both connected. It's like, I don't want to spin. Look at that. I'm going to do it with all three of them. Okay. Maybe it will work. Maybe it won't work. Right. Okay, that will not work. Okay, so this is my fidget spinner collection. So that is my magnet rings, but the one is missing. I'm so sorry if I don't get a magnet ring. Oh, by the way, you can also do this. It's very cool. I've done this like so many times. So cool. Voila. And by the way, you can also do this up with a magnet ring on me. Oh, that's cool. But you can't see my thumb anymore. Okay, and that is the end. My monkey noodles. Monkey noodles. Oh, that just fun. Alright, so this is my first monkey noodle. This is my first monkey noodle. It's very strong and stretchy. You can stretch it wherever, however you want. You can stretch it like that, that, and also, you can also do it like this. My name is Captain Emerald, Monkey Noodle Mustache. You know, this monkey noodle is so strange. It acts like a monkey trying to hit me. Hi, ka. Hi, yeah. I've got these mushrooms. So first I've got my red one. Pretty cool. Just plain old red. Nice. But just plain old red. It's got a blue ball in it, but cool. Ow! Okay, let's not do all that dramatic stuff. Okay, next I've got my infinity cube. I've only got one, but I had two, but then I traded it. This is by the way, this is metal. This is not plastic. This is metal, I think. Doesn't really feel like metal, but I think it's metal. I like these black ones because they're pretty cool. Pack these wherever you want. I'll pack my cool fidgets. Very cool fidgets. By the way, we've got this fidget thing where you can bring your fidgets whenever you want, and then the teacher's like, no, you can't have fidgets in the class, but then people bring their fidgets outside. Outside. But people also bring their fidgets like at Fridays. It's really cool. Look at that, that's amazing. Look at that. I would really like to show them to you. They're my lights. You need to turn off the light. Actually glow. That is so cool. They glow. So this is my first one. This is my first light. I'm gonna call these mini lights. I don't even know what these are called. This is my first one. So you've got one that shows that shows rainbow, and one that just shows blue. So that's pretty cool. So look, so you've got one that shows rainbow and one that just shows blue. This one is my favorite one because it has like a silly face. It's squishy. Let's see if we can bounce it. Okay, I need to stand up to see how bouncy that is. So you won't see me for a while. That is so bouncy. Alright. Now I don't know what these are. But they are unicorns. I know what these are, but I don't know what these are actually called. They're unicorns, so I'll call them stretch unicorns. Yes, camera, yes! Please focus on this. Yes, camera, you're doing great. Yes, go camera, you're doing great. Look, camera, you're doing great. Purple unicorn, and I am the most purplest ever. No, I have the most color. No, I have. Amra, which one has the most color? Me or her? I'll say both of you have the most color, but I think the biggest light of all color, and this one has a little bit less color. Because look how bright that is. That is the what? That's the end of my fidget haul video. Okay, that's the end of my fidget haul video, everybody. I hope you liked all of my stuff, all of my fidgets. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want me to do any more YouTube channels about fidgets, maybe colours of my puppets or my fidgets. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, everybody. 3, 2, 1, bye!